Sihlale phansi. Amaphepha la yiwayo la. Livuka njani salibonani? Oholwa ngumoya sicela asilide through umthandazo. Ozizwa namhlanje ashayele ifoni. Okhansela Shuma. Yeah, thank you Mr.
Abafuna kumelo umsana. Siyabonga uthando lwakho. Ukana sihlanganisile kulindlu. Siyacela baba ukuthi sibe moya munye. uNkulunkulu indlu yebusilele iyo uNkulunkulu eyakha ukhokheli development yeKwanda district. Siyacela baba ufake usapho lothando kwakhiwe siyabonga.
Siyabonga umthandazo omuhle. Siza qalisa as is the norm. Introductions. Sizacela ama-introductions. Ngicela siqale nge-back row. Ababusibanda baqale bambijana. Ama-members of staff sicela liqale limi ukuzintroduce. Amanye ama-stakeholders sicela siqala ngawo khona. Yes. 1 2 bomama ufanele ukuba ngokuncufa kodwa just these two.
Salibonani esimaphosa ngiyaphendula.
Salibonani Ntombi yothando Ncube Salvation Council.
Salibonani Bafana Andile from the GTC office. Salibonani Mthulani Moyo from the GTC office.
Salibonani Matase person from local government in public works.
Usibukile Ncube from MOT Roads Department.
Salibonani Celestina Kotse from Rita.
Salibonani usiphumuzile Dube from Salibonani.
Riyavuza kuthiwa I am with from Celebration.
Before that, ngicela ukuza kanti umuntu engathi salibonani akuvuni. Okay, continue. Umsazi kumbe umuntu talk.
The sex service department and paradise service.
Mase bephelile singaqala ngasihambeni ngapha.
Siyabonga. Mina engikhulumayo Nguranga Sibanda, CEO Macheloni Riyavuza Mashaka. Silo siqhele silencube council treasurer akama bathu bawubone. Uchitebela Merlin Esinon, executive officer administration and human resources. Sini naye una Alan Mulea, special planning officer Kwandara DC. Kebala bangwenke into bandisa babongile Mpomo engineer wa council Takwani. Uchitebela Simelwe Inkosi Ndongwa, acting social services officer Kwandara DC. Ubona nganto nopedza ukumisela Thabona chene.
Salibonani Vukile.
Siyabuka.
Yes. Mina ngikhulumayo ngawakhiwe moyo office ka TTC. Ngizayithula umama TTC ohlezi phakathi kwethu mama uNdlovu.
Salibonani.
Ngizaphinda ngethule ubukhokheli bethu bomdabuko amakhosi ethu esilawo wakhathesi mabili. Silaye ubaba uChief Kwadalala ngiyena laphana. Silaye ubaba uActing Chief Mhlamba
abanye sabayintroduce bengena
Siyabonga. Sicela ukuthi okay mina kulabanye abayintroducewa ngala abayithi council chairman vice.
okay sabayintroduce
Alright. Second one. Introduce. Self introductions. Okay, ubo councillor kucela ama self introductions. Qala ku Ward 16. Yes.
Miss Lennon, what 22, Hera Council.
Noctula Moyo, Ward 4 Councillor.
Salvonan, Kim Lea Dube, Ward 18 PR.
Marian Kupenaksani, Ward 12 PR Councillor.
Salvonani, Englogu, Ward 19 Councillor.
Dumelan, Wilson Swat, Ward 11 Council.
Salvonani, Tutugonyati, Ward 17,
Salvanan, Lore to Ward 24 Council.
Salvonan, Chino, Ward 7 PR Council.
Salvona Lanto, Ward 22 Council.
Salvonan, Nancy, PR Councillor.
Salvonan, Moravia, Livia, PR Councillor.
Mela, Ijo, 14, Wada, 8. Ay, muna mati.
Siyabonga. Later moments. Can you proceed, Mr. Dogu?
Salvonani, Emmanuel Makawan and Gogu, Ward 15.
Salvonani, Brian at Ward 20. Salvonani, Joel Shenyati, Ward 8.
Salvonani, Emmanuel Ward 3.
Salvanan, Zola, Councillor Ward 2.
Salvonan, Joseph Kumar, Ward 6 Council.
Salvonan, Thomas Verem, Ward 21 Councillor.
Says
Salvonan, Councillor Ward 2.
Salvonani, Councillor.
Siyabonga.
Salvonani, M. Moyo, Ward 10, Vice Chair.
right siyabonga then eceleni silo councillor Emncube Ward 18 onguye council chairperson ezabe siphathele umhlangano wethu namhlanje then silama apologies from councillor Ward 13 ufake i-apology uphathekile unyawo lubuhlungu then le apology njalo esiyitholileyo from inkosi yethu uChifina Zuku aso sibe la namhlanje yiwo ama apologies engiwatholileyo singazi mhlawumbe kulamanye azathi angena. Ngiyabonga mcinisela.
Siyabonga. This marks the beginning of umhlangano wethu of which ukuthi umhlangano number 3 of year 2025. Silethemba wonke umuntu usengena igiyeni yokuba semhlanganweni. My request, fellow councillors, we go to desist from policy for tendency yoku repeater. If someone engavele khulume akukhulumileyo, either we propose second wenzela ukuthi umhlangano uqhubeke. Kumele sidiphethe within timelines of umhlangano. Ngicela again sikwazi ukuthi according to the act umuntu should debate once agenda A1. If anything more than that, it should be clarification. Then after that we propose, then seseke senzela ukuthi umhlangano wethu uhambe kuhle. Maybe again I would invite ukuthi o councillor we avoid agenda setting. We've got to stick to the agenda because immediately nxa usuphuma off track we'll try to amicable correct you ukwenzela ukuthi lawe uzizwe usekhaya, but lawe wedwa try by all means unanzelela ukuthi i-agenda ithini, let's stick to the agenda. Siyabonga ngawo wena lawo, ngithemba abazali bethu abangama communities nxa lihlezi lapha they are safe, they know ukuthi likhona lizobakhulumela and lizokhuluma khonokho abakufunayo kona ngale emakhaya. And ngiyakholwa kakhulu ukuthi after this meeting or after all the meetings that are convened here in this August House, kule feedback eyenzakalayo emakhaya, kwenzakala ukuthi siqede imhlangano abadala they are not aware of what bese kudiscussa lapha, i-policy yena leyi esingalayo thina ecounseling ingani abantu abaningi sebe-adoptile yokwenza imhlangano bangenza ama-feedback ezigabeni. Cela ukuthi sikulungisise khona lokho ku-council. Ngiyabonga ukusukisela khathesi esingena emhlanganweni wethu, ama-minutes ngithemba asefilethiwe emafonini. Ngicela litshengise ukuthi ama-minutes liwabonile. Thank you. Ama-minutes econference. Ama-minutes ethu njengoba siwabonile, kukhona yini okuvukayo kuma-minutes? Matters arising. Matters arising. I'm sorry, angizukuvumela ukuthi lithathe isikhathi eside ngisacabanga khathesi kushuta kulalutho. Just ama-minutes enalawa lithule kusho ukuthi hayi lithi konke ku-right. Singaqhubekela phambili nge-new business. Thank you. Proposal baba siqhubekele phambili. Khona osekeda ukuthi siqhubekele phambili. Thank you Vice Chair. Sesiya phambili. Then 5.0 sicela i-report from RTTC. What is it? DC's office.
Okay. Siyabonga. 5.0 presentation of RTTC committee recommendations. The RTTC committee made the following recommendations for consideration and adoption by full council. 5.1 Sustainable inclusive economic development. The meeting sought information on the operations of Gwanda lithium mine and its production levels for billing purposes. Therefore, the committee recommended that to research what the law states regarding ore that is processed but not produced at the Gwanda lithium mine. Number 2, to form a task force including representatives from mines, EMA, Gwanda RTC, DDC, and the technical experts to investigate Gwanda lithium mine operations. 5.2 Monitoring and evaluation. The meeting sought to understand on why is the Monitoring and Evaluation Committee currently did not monitor any projects. The House agreed that they should work with the subcommittee in projects monitoring. Therefore, the subcommittee recommended that the Monitoring and Evaluation Committee shall collaborate with subcommittees to oversee projects within the district that are subject to monitoring. Thank you.
Siyabonga. Very comprehensive, sometimes very short. Reported by councillors. Your report ekhona ku RTTC yonke angithi.
Yes.
So sesicela, can you interrogate lokho zeni report before si propose i-adoption? Anything councillors? Area of interest nge-report le. Abantu abadala bawasisikali balokudonda ukuphamisa izandla but babe something to say. So lami njengoba nilazi ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngithi nyone ngicela ukusho something. Awudala. Propose ukuthi si adopt. Proposal then osekelayo Siyabonga ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba into zemahongola indawo zama-areas of interest okhansela abazakubuza usayidlulisa well it's fine ukuthi uthi uzwakele. Let's go to 6.0.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The Finance Committee made the following recommendations for consideration and adoption by full council. 6.1. Request for old bore pipes 3 meters by 500 mm. How to find a person's location by their phone. Council is in receipt of a letter from the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Mechanization and Farm Infrastructure Development requesting for old bore pipes 3 meters by 50 mm by 3 to fabricate a crane for their mobile workshop team so as to enable them to continue offering best quality service to farmers around Gwanda district. Recommendation that the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Mechanization and Farm Infrastructure Development be given old bore pipes 3 meters by 50 mm by 3 to fabricate their crane.
Siyabonga i-proposal. Sekela. I-proposal ngibonile sekela. Thank you. Asandela.
6.2. Request for donations towards Heroes and Defence Forces Day 11 and 12 August 2025. Council is in receipt of a letter from the District Development Coordinator requesting for donations for the commemorations of Heroes and Defence Forces Days to be held on the 11th and 12th of August 2025. Recommendations that 150 be donated towards the commemoration of Heroes Day and Defence Forces Day on the 11th and 12th August 2025.
Yeah, before i-proposal. Kodwa ukhuluma ukuthi namhlanje sile coverage yelithi. Thina as RGC asila problem ngoba izinto zethu website sokhona so ukuthi abazali kumbe ngithi ama communities alethuba lokuthi konke lokho esikwenza namhlanje lendlela elidebate ngabazali bona bazabe bekuzwisisa what level bazabe kubuza ukuthi kanti kwakhunywa indaba emangongo luthuli loyana umgwaqo yethu efileyo lapha kuphuma ireport kuphela amalokhu nakhona ngapi le volume of ama process aphuma kuma lana athini siphonga ukubona nje ukuthi kwakhulunywa but exactly ukukhona yiwo so ngicela ukuthi la yasi debate abadala sidebate sinanzelela ukuthi abantu they are represented ngoba they will ask you a question sebekhangele ukuthi okay isikhaviyo item esihlala sikhuluma ngayo ayikhulunywa kuhle kakhulu ukuthi nxa I'm sorry sokubuya nje ama opening remarks but ngizama ukuvula amehlo sama kuzabuya umuntu seyikhangela bese buza ukuthi kanti issue lehlala isihlupha wayile ngayikhuluma ekhasele thina sihlala sikhuluma ngakho ngiyabonga as continue proposal ku-atheme ebalilweyo right so lesekelayo ngiyabonga asambeni pani 6.3
application for development levy what for council is in receipt of a request to withdraw USD $462 from development levy to purchase 44 bags of cement. Recommendation that what for be given $462 to purchase 44 bags of cement.
Proposal. Thank you. By 2. Presentations for 6.4.
The procurement management unit 2026 budget. The procurement officer shall table before the committee the 2026 departmental or committee budget crafted under the program-based budget framework, planned activities reflecting an angle of organization growth in the scope of activities and staffing level. Recommendations that the PMU 2026 budget be adopted prior to consultation to the main council budget.
Proposal. Ngicela proposal. Thank you. Second. Siyabonga. Sunday.
6.5. Presentation of the Finance Committee 2026 budget. The treasurer shall table before the committee the 2026 departmental or committee budget crafted under the program-based budget framework, planned activities reflecting angle of organization growth in the scope of activities and staffing levels. Recommendations that the committee 2026 budget be adopted prior to consolidation to the main council budget.
Madam Treasurer, can you lead us through? Are you beaming? Where you beamer? You know the presentation. Okay, thank you. All right, no, thank you. Asaf. The treasurer shall table before the committee. Can you table before the committee? The committee. 2026 department budget.
lapha chairman bayabe ku-capture ngendlela abaku-presente ngayo kuma-respective committees. So lanti it was nge-committee labo ele-finance.
All right, no, it's okay. So, sicela proposal. Siza kubala as it is. Ukuthi siqalisa sange sicorrect amanye amalobo zensiwabona ngokunye kuzamele u-forward as we go. Ngicela i-proposal ka 6.5. Thank you. Back by 2. 6.6.
6.6. Request for monthly fuel donations allocation. Council is in receipt of a letter from the District Development Coordinator requesting for a monthly fuel allocation to support the day-to-day operations of the business. In their letter, it was stated that the allocation will enable them to do stakeholder engagement, monitoring and evaluation of critical projects, partnership programs, various burials, Zim-like exercise. The recommendations that the DTC office be informed that council does not budget for these activities.
Any clarifications or proposal before proposal? Will I make clarifications on this item? Okay, proposal.
Chairman, benginanzelela ukuthi uncwadi ebhalwe i-PTC kuma-health areas bayancediswa mhlawumbe nge-fuel. Then ngingazi ngibona kulaleti monitoring and evaluation of critical projects akuvumi ukuthi mhlawumbe bengayibhalela so that bekwazi ukuthola i-fuel njengoba le monthly allocation yale.
Okungenzakala ukuthi bacele in form of a donation invited by eminye yama-statutes esiyi-75, but it cannot be a monthly obligation. Nxa i-council ilapho ilapho ukuthi incedise, just like okunye okuyabe kubuye kucelele.
Kuyezwakala mawuko council because sinanzelela kakhulu ukuthi kumanye ikakhulu inlandelela indaba ekhulunywa kwabo emakhabani kuma-hero i-office ka-DDC asa-attend kaningi asa-attend. The challenge being i-issue everywhere. Transport today, but all of them. Maybe the terminology in the waiting, you are not going to the night. I will land here, I write in a power to suit. So, say, office that is. And I because now we say I'm not drama heroes. Always hold on to the skill of our accent. TTC, I think, most example that I visit, but if I support this, why? The answer now we would lay fuel, we need the intervention here. I think we should Baba see what finally sibe lendlela. Singatshintsha i-wedding. Nxa kuyikuthi kulani kule policy ecounseling engavumelani lakho kodwa kube lendlela abangancediswa ngayo. Nxa indlela ingama donations ungayenzakala okuyikho oku-user friendly ukuthi khona we donate upon request lokuthi khona we budget for that item every month just ilokuze finance share okungcono yikuphi ukubudgetela just even not for you but just to avail i-fuel engalingana maybe 20 or 40 liters lokuthi sithi PPP and PPB program based budget which is PPP. Which one is better?
Madam Phamsile, before ngakakhuluma.
Okay, maybe ngicacise ngakaphendula like ubabe khulumile ukuthi khona asisa yenelisi ukuthi attend. Before then we would get assistance from the office ega honorable by then. So there was a time when we got a complaint to say we are no longer attending ama Europe areas and other. Then we said we don't have fuel. The comment that we got was you didn't communicate with your council. So at least we also wanted paper trail to say no, we communicated, but this was the recommendation because sasingakaze sibuye for the fuel Europe area. Wakhulunywa nje ngefone. So ukuthi bese sihambisa report yokuthi i-council ithe ayila ngomlomo ngabe kungekho fair. So that's why we decided to put it in writing so that if we are now being accused to say you don't attend, no, we don't attend, we don't have fuel. What did your council say? This was the recommendation. We wrote the same to MOG because Valama provincial and they assisted ngendlela yabo. So we didn't have a problem. So that is what we wanted to say. Let's have a paper trail. We are not forcing, but this was the recommendation. That was the whole idea behind the request.
Chair.
Siyabonga thina njengecommittee nxa sidebate siyadinga uku-advisor ngaba velo lwazi ukuthi into enjalo siyenza kanjani then bese besi-advise bese sikwanisa ukuthi sibone ukuthi sikwenza kanjani. So yikho kade ngisithi thina usiwo kuyabe kufanele sincedise ngoba nguye u-advisor wethu nxa siku-committee ukuthi into le enjalo siyibamba kanjani lo treasurer akasincedise ukuthi into enjalo siyenza kanjani. Is there any policy esivimbayo kumbe ukuthi lezi malini zethu kumi kanjani siyenelisa yini ukwenza kumbe asenelisa ngoba kunye kuyabe kukhona ukuthi ama donations vele siyawa budgetela ayahamba la ku budget yabe vele njani ekhona but okuyabe sokunzima ukuthi kufanele sikunanzelele ukuthi wona angabi yiwo asegcina esesidla yonke imali i-service delivery igcine ngasanjani kugcina ungasagradwanga imigwaqo kumbe kwenze njani. So singokunye ukuthi ababezama uku-advise ukuthi kuyatholakala ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi imali iyabe njani iyabe ingekho kwesinye isikhathi njani ikhona but nxa ikhona kuyabe ku-right ukuthi bayithole nxa ingekho kayinjani kayi.
There's no need to reach this one because abakhuluma ukuthi ama-liters bayifunayo njalo i-conflict ebonikhona la ngikuthi day to day. I think basuke bathola ukuthi day to day see every day babecela i-fuel every day but I think bona babecela according ama-programs abazabelapho.
Siyabonga. Ngibona ngathi we noted as we are debating committee if we say now sesikuthatha sokusiba i-obligation of i-council to say sesikhipha i-monthly allowance ye-fuel in the event that asayenelisi what happens because it becomes a resolution. But if it continues on the basis yama-donations kusho ukuthi nxa kukhona they get assisted. If kungekho akukho then there is no obligation on you that but there is a resolution to this effect that we have to give us fuel ukuthi sikwanise ukurana lokho. So we are willing to work with our office at TTC and sabucho now even in our debates ukuthi asila problem nxa i-council lilo lutho ukuthi libanike ngabanye bethu but now singakwenza kube ngumthetho in the form of a resolution. What happens in the event that the council doesn't have?
Thank you. Mina ngizama ukulandela ukubhalwe or ngithi recommendation ithi yona that the DD's office be informed that council does not budget for these activities. Lokho kunye ngoba uMabulala ukhona but it's not supported in writing now. It's not supported. Nxa thina sibatshela ukuthi asikubudgetela ngalokho sima khona apho maybe nxa ngabe kuthiwa ilokho ze recommendation yethu iya include lokhana ukuthi funds per meeting kube lani kube le kungabi lama strings are charged into this thing because immediately sorry kungaba lama strings are charged at funds per meeting ku right. Hayi ngendlela engizodebate ngayo khathesi asiqhubekele phambili mina otherwise ngiphila ngiyageza izandla kanti mina ngikhulume ngubona right.
I think the reason why the recommendation is maybe written in this form, we are responding to what they were requesting. Because there is an existing agreement at the moment, that one still continues. But what they were asking now was for an allocation monthly. So this recommendation is in response to this one that has been written, this letter that has been written. That doesn't nullify what has already been happening on the ground prior. Thank you very much.
Asil agreement ekhona kule practice ebakhona la but akula agreement so wothi ngime senguma kumoya ngiyabona uyahlupheka isandla sihloko siyaphansi phezulu.
Yes. Bengicela ukuthi sikhangele laphana kulama hero burials lezimlakhi exercise. Izimlakhi exercise is an obligation esibalayo or yearly ekhangela ukuthi ama communities ethu balokudla okunganani kuphilwa njani all those things. I project liyana nxa ibuyayo sithwala nzima kakhulu eGwanda but yona i-authority eyenzayo babe belokhu besithi kanti alila local authority yenu khona ngapho ekhangele abantu yikho sakufaka laphana ukuthi we've got ama big obligations esilawo laphana ama hero burials lezimlakhi exercise.
Well, just to buttress the point, I'll bring case in point because in Lakia this year we had a very, very difficult time with challenges, especially when we were about to end the project because we were assisted by some partners. Mexico gave us Imota for 1 week. So the program usually runs 2 weeks. Imota Mexico is hungry. We had challenges, and it's very unfortunate that this year our local authority and but in the event of that things would have gone smoother because either a vehicle or enumerators as well. You can assist with the enumerators. So for example, I'm a program that is they're happening with jurisdiction to a council. So we have it's now an obligation for us to ensure that the program goes smoothly because ultimately it's for the benefit of our constituency. You find in other councils, and then the programming national. Most of our resources go there because they did everything to ensure the right information is captured. So if we lack CONAP, you find the funding that we need is as a city. Why is funding going that side? Servicing at ground level.
Madam.
Maybe allow me to appreciate, we are not finance people. The wording of our letter, recommendation. But then the other thing that we thought, for example, I'll give an example of hero burials. I think abadala bethu ngobunengi ungakhangela the province iGwanda yithi esibalama hero burials amanengi as compared to other districts. Siyakwanisa maybe ngeweek sibe le 2, 3, 4 sometimes 2 per day. So ukuthi singathi upon request kungaba sibona ngani ungaba kunengi kakhulu sibe sesiphenduka. So we would have thought ukuthi if you give us whether it's 40 liters per month, whatever happens after the 40 liters bengaze bebe ngu4 sizawuthi ayi council isisinikile man sokuphelile then bese sixolisa lapho esixolisa khona because ukuthi singathi we keep coming back. I'll give an example of ebe khona, I think a week or so back, when we're now coming ukuthi sesizocela futhi bese siphenduke kwesi2 asitholanga umuntu basibalekele sigcine singasahamba. And honestly you agree with me ukuthi ukucela is embarrassing. So ukuthi sihlale siphenduka every day size sibalekelwe, it's not fair. But if you say no, we are going to give you 40 liters, what you do with the 40 liters ngokwenu kungadlula khona lapho bengaba ngu4 selizazibonela lana. Ke kungcono than ukuthi sifuna siphenduka every day, especially when it comes to these ama Europeans abamanengi kakhulu. So that was why we were saying ukuthi you give us one, so whether you give us 20 liters sizathi hayi basinikile 20 liters sasebenza sama lapha asaphenduki futhi for imonth yona leyo. Maybe that was the whole idea ukuthi singahlali siphenduka every day because ama activities esilawo manengi. And even you go to the ministry, I think if you will for operations, we were last given last year as an office space here and there. It's with our sister local authority, even if they give us 20 liters, we run around town, it's okay, and they have done that. So per month, it's up to you to say we'll give you this donation per month, whatever amount. Because it's 200 liters. That was could have been the wedding. Yes, we appreciate, but I think we stand guided. Like I said before, it's okay, you are going to work with that. But the whole idea was we didn't want to keep coming back because our programs my name singachonela la.
Pilato sefuna ukubulala uJesu. Sesidebate okugcina abazali. Sebekufakile i-team sidefendile iletha whatever iwedimali yenziwe. Chairman yasibonisana. Ngicela ukuthi sinike kwa-172.
Siyabonga. Ngiyazwisisa lapha okukhulunywa nguDiyela. Ukhuluma ukuthi baba nohlupho olukhulu kakhulu. Uhlupho lwawo kuze kugcine kufika lapha ekutheni bona kuthiwa kaba bonakali ngaphi khona ngale kumbe kusezindaweni ezinjengezama heroes. Now mina ngibona ukuthi khona njengoba balethile isicelo lapho ukuthi bakutholakale ifuel le, then i-council ithi yona akubudgetelwanga. I-council ithi yona kunzima ukuthi singathi every time babe bethola ifuel le. Kungangcono ukuthi khona baphiwe lapho ephelela khona iphelile. So but maso kusiya ngokutsho kuka-DA lapho ukuthi khona kuyayenzakala ukuthi izimfa lezi zibe nga 4, 3 njalo njalo. Ngibona ukuthi kulobunzima obukhulu alubana sina siyakulungisa ukuthi asibanikeni ifuel engaka. Ukuthi kubonakale khonapho ukuthi kuzahamba njani. Masibanika ifuel le. Kulokuthi thina sithi thina asikubudgetelanga. Ngibona ngani kungaba kungamanga kuhle. Angazi lokuthi ngani angikuzwisisi kuhle lami. Khona okuyizinto ukuthi kuhamba njani, but ukuthi okungenze ngakhuluma ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle. Labanye bashola ukuthi kathi kungani iRDC ingalincedisi. Njengoba besithi bafika lapha ekanselini bababalekele. Into engingasayizwisisi ukuthi kuyini. Ukuthi okubalekwayo kuyini. Asibanikeni ifuel le emele sibayithola. Le into kuthiwa into national le. ayisiyo nto yokuthi izithutshele emoyeni.
Nginanzelela ukuthi iphefuna ngoba u-DA into eqhakathekileyo akusinto nje elula esingayiphatha kancane. Ngokunjalo sokufanele ukuthi ngabe i-council iyazama ukuthi ibe le budget yakhona lokho. Nxa kade ingekho kwakutshintshwe kube lenye indlela ebakhona ngoba sasinanzelele khona lemakhaya masokufike uzebekhala sibili ngekuthi akulazimota kwesikhathi begcine sebefika nzima kade balanda ihero into eqhakathekileyo kakhulu eZimbabwe nxa sikhangela asibe le budget.
Sicela ukubuyisela kumnikazi wemali chairman baba.
Thank you Mr Chairman. Mina sesikuzwisisile ukuthi indlela osokuchasiswa ngayo le ndlela yabo kubala ngayo kubhala encwadini kuyabe kuyizinto ezinjani ezimtho ezijiyeneyo. Mina ngokuzwisisa kwami siyakuzwisisa kakhulu indlela abakhuluma ngayo into eqhakatheke kakhulu. Njalo futhi wona la abantu abakhuluma yiyo ama stakeholders ama programs zona le bafanele bawathole. But isicelo sama ngazi ukuthi kuyabe sokusiye lo mama uDDC ukuthi baxoxisane kakutsha kubuye kuhle sikulungisise ngoba isonto ehluphayo kangaka.
Siyabonga. Mbona ngani debate yethu isifike ugcineni. Baba CEO is coming back to you, back to the committee. Sicela likuyenze ngendlela yokuthi khona sonke we understand ukuthi we are complementing izinto ezenziwa nguhulumende. I-office lika DDC that as councillors sonke sihlangana wanda but at the end of the day ama locals and end users of whatever sikwenza are the communities. So since we score one goal, mbona ngani is prudent maybe we craft a way because thina sisebenza ngamaphongi policy system here and there sibanda lo madam hlala phansi libiye lamazwi a user friendly le kuze le recommendation le ngeke ngazama ukuthatha kamabulala ngoba kade ngiyizwa ukuthi bi right ubefuna ukusondela but then wasengibalekela ubekhulume ngendlela ebeke ngakhona. I think sesiqedile kuyo leyo izabuyela kini baba chairman lani madam izabuya libancedise sibanda ukuthi bayibhale ngendlela ezayenza ukuthi kusasa bengabi answerable to eminye imibuzo ngoba liyakwazi ukuthi nxa sise kuma systems audit khona lokho kuyakwanisa ukusibamba. Ngiyabonga sesingadlulela phambili.
6.7 request for donations towards Minister of State Youth Games in Beirut from 14 to 17 August 2025. Council is in receipt of a letter from the District Development Coordinator requesting for donations towards the Minister of State Youth Games in Beirut to be held on the 14th of to 14 to the 17th of August 2025. The donation is sought to assist the Gwanda district team to participate in these games. The recommendation is that a donation of $50 towards the Minister of State Youth Games in Beirut to enable the district to participate in the games be ratified.
Proposal. Right, Sabonga. Kasam.
Application for development levy Ward 11. Council is in receipt of a request from Ward 11 to purchase 50 bags of cement to complete the construction of Kovatema Bridge. As at the 22nd of August 2022, the ward had $2,062.70 as their development levy. Recommendation is that Ward 11 be allowed to purchase 50 bags of cement to complete the construction of Kovatema Bridge.
Proposal. Siyabonga. 6.9.
6.9 application for development levy Ward 19. Council is in receipt of a request from Ward 19 requesting for $400 to pay the builder who assisted in the building of Mashaba Clinic Staff House. Recommendations that Ward 19 be given $400 to pay the builder who assisted in the building of Mashaba Clinic Staff House.
Proposal. Abasekela, thank you. 610. 6.10.
Right, 6.10. Request for donation towards 2025 Gwanda Agricultural Show Exhibition from the 4th to the 6th of August 2025 in Tepe Manama Community Radio. Council is in receipt of a letter from Tepe Manama Community Radio requesting for donations towards the Gwanda Agricultural Show exhibition from the 4th to the 6th of August 2025. Recommendation that Council donates of $30 towards the Tepe Manama Community Radio for exhibiting the 2025 Agricultural Show.
Proposal. Abasekelayo. Thank you, Asambeli.
6.11 Collective Bargaining Agreement, National Employment Council for Rural District Council. Council is in receipt of a collective bargaining agreement citing that employee salaries are to be increased with effect from 1st of May 2025 and 1st of August 2025, with effect from the 1st of May 2025, an increase of $65 be effected on the salaries from 1st of August 2025. The food hamper has been removed, and in its place, a minimum amount of $82 has been added to the basic salary. Recommendations: number 1, that the NEC schedule be adopted by Council.
Proposal. Proposal. Adoption. Thank you. Sunday.
6.12 Awarding of tenders. Council invited applicants for interested individuals, business persons or companies to rent the following premises. The tender was closed on the 9th of May 2025 and viewing of the premises was done on the 28th and 29th of April 2025. The tender committee set on the 18th of August and awarded as follows: Nasiani Table, premise, number of bidders, bidder winner, Lama remarks are called as Ibona Batala. Right. The recommendation that the following premises be listed as follows. Number 1, institutional, Tawengwa Leo Nene. Number 2, car wash, Frank Woodman. Number 3, tire mending to be re-advertised. Number 4, hair salon, Kosiabo Moyo. Number 5, office space to be re-advertised. Number 6, Boki store, Mobile Kumar.
Proposal. Adoption. Thank you.
6.13 Gwanda RDC versus Sinigo Investment Private Limited. Council received a letter from Sinigo Investment Private Limited lawyers indicating that they acknowledge that they owe the sum of US $79,854.96 and they are in a position to pay the initial deposit of $10,000 on or before the 31st of July 2025. They indicated that they will pay the remaining balance in installment of $1,000 with effect from the 31st of August 2025. In the letter, it was also indicated that they further undertake to pay rent due in the sum of $1,725 inclusive of VAT by the 7th of each month. Recommendation that Council agrees to collect the initial deposit of USD 10,000 and negotiates an upwards review of the monthly installment of 1,000.
Proposal.
Bengicela ukubuza Chairman ukuthi usine osalele isikhathi esinganani ukuthi kongathi mhlawumbe right ngisho ngiqedise.
What I hate phela mhla ngo-2026 somewhere. That is what I hate.
Ebengukhangela ngesicelo debelazo njengoba i-committee izawuthi upward i-review with review of the monthly installment ade beyicele 1,000. Bekungavumini ukuthi behle beyichayelele yonke khonapho mhlawumbe ukuthi kusala kufika ukuthi aphume seqedile izikwelede zakhe. Ngoba 1,000 le la ngenyanga ezisele ungani uzasale lokho ekorota kodwa yena sephume. Kumbe le plan yokumbisela futhi.
Mina ngithe nguPilato bantwana. Phakamsanini izandla likhulume izinto zethu. Chairman.
Siyabonga konke khonoko sakukhangela, but I think uTreasurer uzancedisa lapha ukuthi kwaba lemhlangano ethize yahlala phansi kukhangelwa zonke izinto lezo ukuthi kungabanjwa njani. Lezi vumelano ezikhona ezinye eziyabe zilegally binding ukuthi nxa kwenzakale njalo ngoba into ekade lamagqwetha phakathi elamagqwetha phakathi. so ngizathi u-treasurer ngezelele ukuthi phakathi kwenkulumo yakhulumisana namagqwetha e-council lakaSinile waphuma indaba ethile then thina njengecommittee sasesikubona ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuze i-council ithole.
Anyone else before treasurer letter? Treasurer chairman finance, council chairman usafuna le debate. Debatanisi zone ma councillors. If ever there is anything, ma kungela siya proposer sidlule.
Mbona ngathi what he raised on just partial we looked at the letter and there were some even other terms that as a committee we decided to exclude what will be part of our recommendations because part of the local zoning just put the information which they needed in that agreement would be an extension. Then we debated civil governance with the high extension as as cool at least let the council recover something. Then the obligation is squared at the guy board. Then it will be pursued even after his contract has been terminated, could be expired. But we are giving you this so that you can extend. We are within the event as a committee where it refused to a whole extension that we would undertake. As you can with the legal that they are offering, at least let us get it. He cancelling aside with zero. Then it is what pursuing is quality to its fullest.
Baba.
Ngokubona kwami bona ngani i-extension kamele ibe khona because imali is too much. Uzayibhadala for the next 6 months uyasala imali ibhalance yakhona. Ngoba ngathola extension it's more chances ukuthi abantu ukubhadala lezo sikweletu. Siyasala kwesineke.
Usuqedile Chuma.
Sengiqedile I told you to cancel.
Baba Chuma kwebe yikungamela abantu nxa singakhuluma ngecontract eza expire after 1 year sithi sifuna ukuyirenew singakaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani i-extension nxa izaba khona isikhathi sakhona sesifikile into ekhona okuqhakathekileyo ukubhadala imali ye-council singagijimisa extension phambili siyabe senzefethu abantu esinjani esibameleyo ku-council okuqhakathekileyo ukuthi umuntu kabhadala isikweleti nxa ezayenza kuhla yenze zonke izinto zibe right abese sithi sengiselela lokho ngicela ukuthi nigezele ukuze ngiqede isikweleti kuzakhaya singahle sithi kade sesimi-extendela kati very contract yakhe contract is expire isi-expire ingabe yi-condition andiyakuzwisisa thina sithi right yena bavuma ukuthi balesikweleti ekhansini uyavuma ukuthi usezilethi ukuthi abe le-payment plan thina sivumelana nge-payment plan okwe-extension sizabona i-contract isinjani kambe singakhuluma nge-extension ka-2026 so ngezinye indlela labe
ndimisa ngoku-agenda said I said let's stick to the agenda angizange ngibaleni yokuthi okwe-extend i-contract khona emabaleni layo ngoba leyo ambonanga. Can we all stick to the agenda sizwe lokuthi i-recommendation ifunani? Angizange ngizwe indaba ye-extension kumbe badala mina I'm reading between the lines. Correct me. I think madam ngabe ukuthi kule ndawo etsho njalo I think kuyabe kulephutha abantu benkosi lapha kuthiwe that the committee agrees to collect the initial deposit at 10,000 and then negotiates an upward review of a monthly installment of 1,000. Debate between those two lines only. Anything more than that offside. Ngizacela impembe chairman ukuzenziwa ngithi offside. Siyatshona ilanga lonke debate into ezingekho lapha sikhuluma ngakho. I-finance committee yakho ya debate ngakho yakulungisa yaqeda yaphuma yathi akubhalwe sokubhalwe njalo. So lapha likhuluma ngokuthi hayi siyavuma kakuye phambili. uMakhabani imbuza ubuzile nothing to do with the extension again. Ubebuza ngokuthi imali le maybe incane or njani. I think he got ilo Makhabani imbuzo ubuzile or you answered. Are you satisfied?
bengivele lami ngikhaya ukuthi ngabe kuyathi kufika isikhathi sakhe sokuthi sehamba esebhadela imali lezi.
So uMakhabane ube khuluma ngokuthi ngabe iyengezelelwe imali le, but yena ulethile ukuthi yena wanelisa 10,000. Yikho kumele nje ma-councillors sikukhangela ukuthi nxa i-client yethu, let us not talk of an individual, let's talk of a client. Ngabe i-client, njoba i-client lethile ukuthi yona yes ngilesikweleti ngiyasazi ngiyafuna, but kusikweleti lesi I can afford 10,000 as ilokhuze engayihlalisa khathesi deposit, then after that sengiyenza 1,000 monthly. So uyithi uthi sithini ngakho, sivumelana ukuthi kahambe phambili abhadale njalo kumbe sikhuluma ukuthi hayi kayengezelele monthly kuphela simple sesidlule baba madam.
Mina ngibona ngani njengoba umuntu eziletha futhi esitsho ukuthi nganelisa okungaka asipropose nje
Baba Ndlovu.
Alami khonapho njengoba evulile.
Proposal second sesidlule asambeleni ku elandelayo 6.15.
5.14 Presentation of tariffs, draft consolidated 2026 budget. The council treasurer shall present the tariffs and drafts consolidated 2026 budget for adoption by the committee. Recommendation is that the tariffs and draft consolidation 2026 budget be adopted.
Madam, anti tells IBM. I think in Tola we presented a finance officer report. Continue as if I can start.
6.15 Request for fuel support 200 liters for the use during the lymphatic filariasis mass drug administration 22 to 29 September 2025. Council is in receipt of a letter from the district medical officer requesting for diesel fuel to effectively conduct mass drug administration exercise as regards to lymphatic filariasis in Gwanda district. Recommendation is that council donates 200 liters of fuel worth $300 towards the lymphatic filariasis mass drug administration and acquits at the end of the exercise.
Proposal amabala la ngadokotela abhalilela. So
6.16 Babanjo 6.96 ayisiyo.
Sorry.
6.16 ayisiyo. Ngiyakho 6.16.
Nxa sokuqalisa ukudloveleza kumambijana sifuna ukuthi u-treasure angene.
6.16.
Yeah.
Application for and okay another income. Manje ngikhatshana ngabo.
Lingayikhatshana babantu. Continue. 6.16.
Right. Council is in receipt of a letter from Andrew Ndlovu requesting for license renewal. The shop has areas dating back to January 2022 when the shop was non-functional. Recommendations that Andrew Ndlovu be allowed to pay for the current license and makes a payment plan for the amount in
Proposal. Yes, thank you.
6.17 Application for license at Mlambapele Primary School. Council is in receipt of a letter from Mlambapele Primary School requesting for license renewal. The tax shop has areas date back to June 2022 when it was non-functional. Recommendations that Mlambapele Primary School be allowed to pay for the current license and make a payment plan for the amount owing.
Proposal adoption. Asambeni.
6.18 Request for fuel for a euro barrel on the 10th of September 2025. Council is in receipt of a letter from the district development coordinator requesting for fuel for the burial of the hero for getting them in Pelele village under Chief Mate. Recommendation is that a donation of 20 liters of fuel be ratified.
Proposal. Thank you.
6.19, application for development levy Ward 22. Council is in receipt of a letter from Councillor Ward 22 requesting for $943.16 to purchase a 10,000-litre Giorgio tank stand and a solar stand for Coptal Block project. They request to use the funds for their 2024 development levy. Recommendations that Ward 22 be allowed to withdraw $943.16 from their 2024 development levy to purchase a 10,000-litre Giorgio tank stand and a solar stand for Coptal Block project.
Proposal adoption. Thank you.
6.20, application for development levy Ward 24. Council is in receipt of a letter from Councillor Ward 24 requesting for development levy for 2024 and 2025. The development levy amounts to $1,159.37. The development levy will be used in the construction of projects around the ward, which are: number 1, Patana Primary School, F14 Cottage; number 2, Kwale Primary School, ECD Classroom Globe; number 3, Staken Infant School, F14 Cottage. Recommendation is that 124 be allowed to withdraw $1,159.37 to be used in the construction of projects around the ward.
Proposal adoption. Thank you.
6.21, request for a donation of food and refreshments for the launch of drugs and substance abuse resource mobilization case, as well as the PDC meeting. Council is in receipt of a letter from the Secretary for Provincial Affairs and Devolution requesting for a donation of food and refreshment for the launch of the drugs and substance abuse resources mobilization PDC meeting. The meeting is scheduled for the 18th of September 2025. Recommendation that Council donate of the 30 plates towards the launch of drugs and substance abuse resource mobilizations to be ratified.
Proposal adoption. Thank you.
6.22, request for assistance with regards to the drug and substance abuse national action plan. Council is in receipt of a letter from the District Development Coordinator requesting for assistance with regards to the drug and substance abuse national action plan. Recommendations that Council donates $100 toward the drugs and substance abuse national action plan.
Proposal. Thank you. Adoption. Next.
6.23, request for donations and invitation for exhibition at the Gwanda Agriculture Show. Council is in receipt of a letter from the District Development Coordinator requesting for a donation in support of the District Agriculture Show on the 19th and 20th of September 2025. In the same letter, they invited Council for exhibition at the show. Recommendations that the Council donates $30 towards the 2025 District Agriculture Show.
Yeah, but before you propose ngicela sikhulume nge-donation le-agric show. Akulo omunye umuntu ole something ngayo. Mina ngathi khona ngifuna ukukhuluma la. All right, enough. My opinion. District agric show kaningi siyabe siphatheka okumele sibe phakathi kwayo sikunanzelele ukuthi nxa sihamba sisiya phambili ama-programs la akasoze ayenzakalele kweGwanda Central azaphuma esiya emawadini ethu ngale, so maybe kuzamele lathi ezikhansili sikunanzelele ukuthi izinto lezi ngezethu sithi scale up $30 la, since this will be once off maybe yearly program or something. That's my take. Finance chair and your committee ndibona ukuthi liyadinga imali kakhulu phandle ngale zibuye sibe le mali sikwanise ukuthi ama-programs ethu ahambe, because ama-programs lawa nxa siwayenza sifundisa abalimi ukulima khona ngale sincedisana labantu e-agritex, umsebenzi uyabe usuhambile elizweni. Ngiyabonga. Okay.
District Agricultural Show, this is our platform. We are a rural district with a strong farming community. So this is the opportunity esinika khona abantu bethu to market their products, create linkages with ama buyers. So this year it was our first event. John Council Chesekhulumi. We're going to be having it annually. It's a once off every year. We will service ama farmers from every ward. Market, we things, we create linkages. So what we're trying to do with that is create a sustainable economy where the money circulates within Rwanda. Currently, money to earning, it's moving outside of Rwanda. So, it's our baby. We'll find that farmers will have more market access than they have right now. Because now it's important now, market. So this agricultural show is the stepping stone to giving the new market access.
Siyabonga Baba Mamlala.
I'm just maybe as a offside but it will be okay. I feel like if we are to have such important events as it was throughout the year, I think it's prudent for us, whatever is sector department, let us come up with okay calendar budgets and what we expect from the council is this much for all these blocks. Then those elements are brought into the council budget. These kind of monies these are hamba in this particular office, in this particular department. In that regard, budget approval how did you, where did you get this money? It's prudent to say it, but which pocket, from which so I'm realizing it's council donate correct. If we feel the council can afford, then why is it department as a road now within the council? For 2026, if I it's my proposal, maybe in the near future, department that they know they will seek assistance from the council. We bulk, then it's budgeted for. It will make things easy.
Right, Siyabonga. We appreciate the importance of such events. The event every year, when we're doing our programming in 2024, in readiness for 2025, we did not have a budget, a district agric show, but in fact we budgeted for a provincial agricultural show, SRC, civil SCRs, and we rightfully participated because it's something that we had prepared for. Then along the way, like I said, into area is then when we work as a local authority, we are guided by an annual plan. Here we are in form of a budget. So it's a tool that we should respect as a local authority. As 7 engine, as I pass aside, this is our budget. Okunye lokhu kuzabuya, but the budget kumele sinjani, because it's our plan. Because at the end of the day, we evaluate ourselves based on what we planned for. Okuyikho esithi kuzasincedisa ukuthi sibone in development. Not necessarily which we are saying we are overlooking or we are not taking it serious. Like I said, going forward is something that SSC which is introduced. It was of its first kind, but here we are at short notice. So we were also in short of funding. Funding is not always available. The resources are always limited. So that's the reason.
Siyabonga, noted. Angithi ukuzwa ke lanti bakhulumile abantu bezimali ofinance bazwilani sasa le team ezawuyivele eHarare yabuyizwa libona your funding lena council and phamba usaso council oma chairpersons afunakala eHarare phamba ziso council abafunakala eHarare sinjengisa ibudget yabantu aphela budget ekhona. Thank you. Sambeni phambili. Siqhakathe kusende into zethu nathi as a district. Ngiyabonga. Asambeni phambili. Proposal $30 lana into kade sisagida ngayo lapha. Proposal. Thank you. Sesihamba. Asana.
6.24, request for financial contribution towards national program. Right. Council is in receipt of a letter from the acting provincial director, local government services, requesting for a financial contribution to mobilize for a national program bracing for the preparation of the National Development Strategy 2. Recommendations that Council donates $500 towards the preparation of the national program NDS2 be ratified.
Proposal adoption. Thank you.
Recommendations from Human Resources Development Committee for Finance.
Ngicela siqale sihlanganisa antilane sihlanganise yes all right. Ayihlanga sihlanganise sanga.
6.25. Right. Review of traveling and subsistence allowances. The Works Council set on the 12th of September 2025 and agreed to review the traveling and subsistence allowance and adopt the government rate. The previous rates and government rates are tabled below. Nangana, the item, the current council rates, the government rates, then the supplemental allowance be reviewed from $10 to $20. Then the recommendation at that council adopt the government rates in paying the traveling and subsistence allowance with immediate effect.
Yes, proposal. Ngazi ngathi proposal lo miyofuna ukukhuluma something uyaphakamisa isandla masinya wenze ukuthi sikunika ithuba. Adoption. Say strike it or bawacho proposal. Uyakhuluma something. Is that a proposal? Thank you. Adoption. Thank you. Assignment Pambi. Yes, proceed.
Kule item futhi elandelayo ngaphansi ngaphansi kwe recommendation le item the current council rates, the government rates, that the supplemental allowances be reviewed to $20. That's what I'm telling you.
Hayi akulanda. Siyayeza uproposal lo adoption. Anti lapha vele in short kade kuvele thina sile rated as council but now uhulumende ufakile i-scale sakhe so labana bebesithi sifike bona phana from 10 to $15. I think lina as finance committee likubone ku right ngakusele proposal adoption. Thank you.
6.26 review of salaries ratio. In the Works Council number 2 that set on the 12th of September 25, it was agreed that the salaries ratio be reviewed to 60% USD and 40% ZWL. This review is necessitated by the increase in the cost of living where most services and commodities are accessed with foreign currency. Recommendation that Council reviews salary ratio to 60 USD and 40 ZWL with effect from September 2025.
Proposal adoption. I dlulele phambi. Asa
6.27 review of students allowances. Students allowances are financial support provided to students to help to cover living expenses, educational costs or other related expenditure while pursuing their studies. Currently, students on attachment are given $100. A request is placed to review their allowances to $150 with effect from September. Recommendations that the students' allowance be reviewed to $150 with effect from September 2025.
Proposal adoption. Thank you.
6.28 salary increment and review of conditions of service, grade 10 and grade 11. In the last Human Resources Development Committee, grade salary increment for grade 10 and 11, Council has received a letter from management with proposal increment as well as the received conditions of service. The content of the letter tabled before the committee were as follows. Number 1, salary increment 15% increase to cushion managers against inflation and rising living costs. Number 2, fuel allocation staggered fuel allocation of $150 per month to management. Number 3, school fees support, primary schools, USD 500 per child per term. Secondary school, USD 1,000 per child per term. Number 4, data allowances increase monthly data allowances from $15 to $50 to enhance digital communication, remote work efficiently, and access to online resources. Recommendations that number 1, salary increment 15% salary increase to cushion managers against inflation and rising living costs with effect from July 2025. Number 2, data allowance increase monthly data from 15 GB to 30 GB from grade 10 and increase monthly data from 30 GB to 60 GB from grade 11 to enhance digital communicating, remote work efficiently, and access to online resources with effect from September 2025.
Thank you. Proposal. Reactions. Proposal. Adoption. Thank you.
6.29.
But so right. Bengicela ukuthi khona lani bo grade 10 labo 11 nxa sikhuluma into zondiphume njengathi lathi nxa likhuluma ezethu lingabi phakathi okubese kusiyaphuma thina sodwa ogazi lani kumele liva but all the same lasidluleleni phambili. Alright. Usonto uthe wathi noted.
6.29 proposal to use Upton Plot K for an income generating project. Council is in receipt of a motion proposing the land in Upton Plot K be used to build a lodge or a conference center for an income generating project. The recommendation that cluster houses be built at Upton Plot K in anticipation of receiving monthly rentals in the long run.
Any reactions? Proposals? Adoption? Right, next item.
Presentation of Human Resources Development Committee recommendations. 7.1. Request for authority to drive Love Mosvanda revenue check. Council is in receipt of a letter from Love Mosvanda requesting for authority to drive council vehicles. Mr. Love Mosvanda has 3 years of driving experience according to his driver's license. The section 8 also indicated that if Mr. Love Mosvanda is granted authority, it would greatly improve the mobility of the department. Recommendation that Love Mosvanda be granted authority to drive council vehicles after the necessary tests have been done.
Reactions? Proposals? Adoption? Thank you. Next, 7.1.
Right. 7.2. Request for authority to drive Nok Maposa, revenue clerk. Council is in receipt of a letter from Mr. Nok Maposa requesting for authority to drive council vehicles. Mr. Nok Maposa has 1 year of driving experience according to his driver's license. The section 8 also indicated that if Mr. Nok Maposa is granted authority, it would greatly improve the mobility of the department. Recommendation that Nok Maposa be granted authority to drive council vehicles after the necessary tests have been done.
Any reactions? Mabula.
As a council, don't we have a policy in terms of at least a number of minimum years of experience for somebody to drive this motor, then it's okay. If 1 year, 3 years starting, and as good as a public system.
Because we don't take. And as next day, here, only 3 years or 4 years.
do we have a policy?
Yeah, a transport policy.
Transport policy. Estate yini ukuthi iminyaka umuntu kumele abe leminyaka emkhulu to drive cancel vehicles.
It's open.
sikhalela ukuthi nxa i-license isilo at least a year ukuthi uyabe sekwanisa ukuthi adrive. Then what normally happens before that person a driver eyedwa uyaqala atestwe ngomakanika be-council ukuthi bambone ukuthi uyenelisa, then they certify that person is suitable.
Umbuzo ukuthi sile policy.
Umbuzo ukuthi sile policy, ku-policy is it specified? Uba kukho transport policy akukho specified. The other question is ukuthi uchuma uthi insurance, will it cover kungaba le accident in within umuntu ole license le 1 year experience?
Yes, they can.
Are you okay? Right. Any proposal? Proposal? Thank you. Right, let's move on. 7.3.
Councillors, Sitting now, my councillors have Right, 7.3. Councillors, allowances and picks. The Honourable Minister is in terms of Section 54 of the first schedule of the Rural District Council Act, Chapter 29, 29 Section 15, set out new allowances and pegs for councillors which came in effect immediately as at 1st of June 2025. As a result, Circular 12 dated 26th September 2024 has been repealed and replaced. Allowances to be paid to councillors are to be paid as follows. Nankana Mafikazi. The circular was tabled before the committee. Recommendations that the allowances and pegs of councillors be paid as per circular number 12 amended with effect from the 1st of June 2025.
Proposals? Reactions? Thank you.
Ngiyabona last time mina ngike ngazama khanya umwana yakuzwakala ngazama ukuthi into efana naleyo idingi ukuba ngaphakathi kwami ilobe lifaka kuphela manje ukuthi ngikwenzelani.
Any reactions again? Try private and confidential. Proposals? Proposals? Adoption? Thank you. 7.4.
7.4, request to engage graduate trainees with regards to resolution FC 4359 HRD 1688, which allowed council to engage graduate trainees to alleviate day-to-day activities within council departments. Management has sat down and agreed to engage 5 graduate trainees in the following categories. The graduate trainees will be engaged on a 1-year renewable contract. Our departments Nankana, HR, then audit, social services, the project. That graduate trainees for the following departments be engaged. The recommendation.
Any reactions? Proposals? Councillors? Asenzeni phela sambeni. Proposals? Adoption? Thank you.
7.5, request for appointment to act Simelwe Nkosi Mdlongwa, Executive Officer, Social Services. The office of the Executive Officer, Social Services will fall vacant from the 3rd of August 2025 after the retirement of Ms. Bonile Mpofu. A request is hereby being placed to appoint the Assistant Executive Officer, Social Services, to act in the above mentioned position from the 3rd of August 2025 until the recruitment of an incumbent.
Proposals?
Recommendation, body recommendation, that the placement of Ms. Simelwe Nkosi Mdlongwa as Executive Officer, Social Services until the recruitment of an incumbent.
Proposals? Thank you. 7 points.
So, member guys, what are we?
I push on
What are we?
adoption recommendation.
Recommendation that I need.
It's just, I think you're typing here. I push on. Yeah, printed, yes.
Now I type in there, right? Appointed, right? And they have what?
With
They were adopted with amendments, right? Thank you. Let's adopt it with amendments, right? Thank you. Right, next.
7.6, presentation of draft policies. The committee is embedded with the mandate to craft several policies in line with its operational mandate, giving directions and guidance in line with corporate governance dictates. The work in progress in line with the mandate has seen the draft of the following policies: disability policy, recruitment and selection policy, wellness policy. The policies were presented in 3 readings until the scope and functionality is appreciated, also allowing wide and extended consultation as its content is to be aligned or reconciled with other existing instruments. Recommendation that the draft disability, recruitment and selection and wellness policies be adopted.
Reactions? Proposal? Proposal? Adoption? Thank you.
7.7, request for outsourcing the servicing and repairing of council vehicles and equipment. Council is currently outsourcing the servicing of some of its vehicles and some being serviced at the council workshop. It has been noted that most of the vehicles being repaired at the workshop remain non-runners. Therefore, permission is being sought to outsource the servicing and repairing of all council vehicles and mobile equipment in order to prolong the lifespan and council assets and ensure better service delivery. Recommendation that council recruit a substantive grade 9 workshop foreman.
Reactions? Yebo baba. Proposal?
Mina ngicela ukubuza i-recommendation le is it talking to the laws to the main request? Sure. Are you sure? What is outsourcing? The services and repairing of council vehicles and equipment. ngicela livale libe selingifundisa wona. 7.7 request for a outsourcing the servicing and repairing of council vehicles and the equipment. Ngoba ucelwa i-outsourcing anti? Not employee. So ngithe ngifundisa ngula problem kuyabe kunjaya la.
Chairman. Yes. Right, ngiyabonga. Bekucelakala ukuthi imota ziyosevisa phandle zonke kanje. But sazokunanzelela ukuthi kungaba ama-cost akhona ngaba maningi kakhulu ukuthi imota zonke ziphume. Kanti-ke okungcono ukuthi sibe lo workshop format imota zilungiselwe egarage.
So phela yikho ngitsho ngithi this thing is not talking to the other. Okucelwa esikho okuvunywayo. Lapha sivuma ukuthi siqhatshe umuntu. Asizange sithi isicelo lesikasibhalanga ukuthi sicela ukuqhatsha. Sithe khona sicela uku-outsource. So thina sikavuma ukuthi sifuna uku-outsource. Nxa si-outsource lo muntu sizaqhatsha but at the same time siyalokho si-outsource sihambisile ukuzeni. Ngoba abantu bazavuma ukuthi thina sakhuluma sathi si-outsource. Ngithe ngicela sibale into lesizwisise. Nxa mina ngilala lapha engilahleka khona siphumi on this one.
Abatsha mina ngibuza ukuthi kathi bona lapha ukuhamba njani la? Kule imota bezivele zilungiswa ngaphandle. Anti vele kuthiwa kulezilutshwana ezilokuzayo. Kanti lo onguyo khona lo olungisa imota lezi. Ngaso umuntu owaziwayo ukuthi lo msebenzi owaziwayo yini. Okunye futhi engikutshoyo ukuthi liqala ngokugijimela ukufuna ukuqhatsha. Uzafika sebenzise kulane workshop kwaphana kuzasetshenziswa. Kumbe nguye umuntu ozabe sekole sidla imali eCouncil kusalindele ukuthi kuthengwe i-machinery ukuthi asebenze ngayo. Kanti ukuqala ukuyini? Kuqala ukukhatha umfana wenkomo uqala udinga inkomo. Ukuthi udinga umfana wenkomo uqala ke.
Ngiyabuya kwendlo Babulani.
Siyabonga. Mina bengathi ngiyabazwisisa but I just need clarity. Ngoba from my understanding kuthi ukuthi workshop foreman lo esemfuna ukuthi bangidlulise ikomiti ukuthi umuntu ongumakaniko lolwazi oluphezulu yini ukudlula laba bebekhona ukuthi iproblem ebehlangana nayo basichazela ukuthi ebingasise problem ukuthi izimota lezi akula material okuzilungisa but ulwazi lomuntu ozilungisayo lolu shotayo. So bona ngelihle libanzi yikho yini engikucabanga ukuthi ngelihle libanzi becabanga ukuthi lokusikhipha abantu besiyelungisa phansi ahle sidinga imali lungisa simbeke phakathi azilungise lapha siyafuna amakhosikazi esilomuntu kulokhu zenini ngifuna ukuthi aphunguba kubenze kucacile imithi kwenu.
Right, ngiyabuya Ndlovu uzawaphendula ka1 manahla aqedise lapho.
Mina bengifuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi kanti u-workshop foreman lo odingakalayo ugrade 9 ngiyolungisa izimota kumbe udingela ukuthi azokhokhela abantu ababe belungisa izimota la.
Ngingakabuyi kwendlovu
ngicela ukuphendula. Let us not agenda set 7.7. Let's stick to what amabala abhalwe la athafuna. Okubhalwe phezulu explanation ku right kuyahambelana but I recommendation ayihambelana. So thina nxa kule issue enjalo what we've got to do sibisela ku committee bayilungisa councillors because thina sike silungise lapha I recommendation yakho niyavela ngapha. Sizatshona isikhathi lokho siletha ama opinions ethu wonke but annull and void because akula lutho usiwaza implementa ngalo. And maybe mina benthe chasisanini ukuthi lokhu okuphezulu la lokhu kuyahambelana. Nxa ungahambelani ukuthi izi recommendation eyilungiswe kuhle. Nxa sokufunakala ukuzeni ugrade 9 we workshop kuza kuya iapplication kubi request ukuthi kule post ekhona eka grade 9 and full stop sibe sesikhangela njengepost sesithi kakuhambe phambili iyabe sisekelwa ukuthi hayi kunje kunje but at the same time ukuphunywa ngu-chairperson of finance sidinga ulokuzeni ugrade 9 ngapha si-outsourcer ngapha sicela i-request yoku-outsource imota zethu zonke siyazikhupha sezilungisa phandle and at the same time sesidinga ubani ugrade 9 ulokhuzeni asiqale nini sithi u-7.7 ka-communicate tukokunye isicelo lesivumelwano ukuthi okhansela bazibathi siyavuma ukuthi kuhambe kwi-outsource.
Baba Ndlovu.
Ngiyabonga.
zikhona imoto eziphumayo kodwa isicelo lesisicela ukuthi izimoto akaziphume zonke ziyethini ziyolungiswa phandle. Ikomiti njengekhomithi yakubona ukuthi akuvuni yikho sikwalile kwali isicelo lesiyalekile then sasiphuma lokuthi endaweni ukuthi si-outsource asiqhatshe nini umuntu azolungisa ukuthi vele khona u-workshop fungeni wayevele khona yikubisela umuntu wayevele khona but siwahamba njalo ukuthi ngiphendule ubaba kuyaqhatsha umuntu olo-class 1 oyabonga ukuperforming ozakwanisa ukulungisa imoto lezi ngoba abantu sebadinga phandle siyedinga sembantu esingakwanisa ukuthi siyedinga semuntu esingakwanisa ukuthi si-employer asebenze egarajini.
Siyabonga mina ngilapha ukuthini i-recommendation ehambelana ngephezulu. I think when we finance, a precedent has been set in this meeting whereby we requested for e-lodge and stuff, but they recommended instead of ama-lodge what we can do singayakha izinto ukuthi okay i-problem nansi thina besibona singayisolve lokho but those who gave the advice but ongabe ku-suitable yilokho. So in this meeting esikuyo a precedent has been set, so ngase sikhansela le ukuthi let us go back again say ukuthi laphana sicela i-lodge nathi siyakhe ukuthi ama-what houses cluster houses. So should you go back say cluster houses, but what we wanted was a income generating project. But I look at second lodge here there is a problem. Imota ngazilungiswa sekuthi outsource, but I think outsource hire a foreman. I think he was still in the same track if we're using that one.
Right. Ngiyalizwisisa lo mina ngile contribution la. Onyoni say sizamdinga workshop foreman. Simdingela silazo izinto zokuthi azosebenzisa yini. Silazo yini imota vele ezisaphilile ezifuna ukurepair kumbe vele imota zethu sezifuna ukujijwa. Ngoba singabadinga bonke babe yi-20 mechanic but nxa imota zethu sezifile asalungise kanje. So do we have angazi committee ukuthi la kukhangela yini ukuthi outspan imota zenezo ezifuna uforeman zisese right. Yebo.
Zonke imoto esilazo zifuna uforeman. Whether kuyintsha lamuhla imoto ifuna ukusevisa ifuna uforeman.
Let's right, asenzeni idlule siya adopta with ayibuye ibuye si right ayibuye ziyenze njani ayibuye
ayibuye ngoba lapha akuhambelani i-recommendation le-request, so ayibuyele beyeqondisa kutsha besokubuye.
Right, let's move forward. Ayibuyele iyethini. That's what the majority is saying. Ayibuyele muva committee lilungise. Right, next.
Siyabonga chairman. Kodwa angazi imajority
No quarter chairman. 7.8.
Collective bargaining agreement, National Employment Council for Rural District Council. Council is in receipt of a collective bargaining agreement citing that employee salaries are to be increased with effect from 1st of May 2025 and 1st of August 2025. With effect from 1st of May 2025, an increase of $65 affected on the salaries. From 1st of August 2025, the food hamper has been removed and in its place, a minimum amount of $82 has been added to the basic salary. Recommendation that the 2025 NEC schedule be adopted by Council.
Any reactions? Proposal? Adoption, thank you.
7.9. Presentation of the Human Resources Development Committee and Departmental 2026 and Workshop Section Budget 2026. The Executive Officer, Administration and Human Resources and Council Engineer shall table before the committee the 2026 Departmental Committee and Workshop Section Budget crafted under the program-based budgeting framework. Planned activities reflect an angle of organization growth in the scope of activities and staffing levels. Recommendation 1, that the departmental and committee 2026 budget be adopted prior to consultation to the main council budget. 2, that the workshop section 2026 budget be adopted prior to consultation of the main council budget.
Any reactions? Proposal? Askurman. Proposals? Adoption? Thank you.
7.10. Review of transport policy. The committee is embedded with the review of policies to assess the effectiveness of existing policies and identifying areas for improvement. It is against this background that the transport policy be reviewed. Recommendation that the transport policy be reviewed.
Proposals? Selambile. Proposals? Adoption? Thank you.
7.11. Request for authority to drive Vumani Ngulube, EHT. Council is in receipt of a letter from Vumani Ngulube requesting for authority to drive council vehicles. Mr. Vumani Ngulube has 3 years of driving experience according to his driver's license. If Mr. Vumani Ngulube is granted authority, it will greatly improve the mobility of the department. Recommendation that Vumani Ngulube be granted authority to drive council vehicles after the necessary tests have been done.
Proposal? Adoption? Thank you.
Request for authority to drive Alan Keimulea, Special Planning Officer. Council is in receipt of a letter from Alan Keimulea requesting for authority to drive council vehicles. Mr. Alan Keimulea has 15 years of driving experience according to his driver's license. If Mr. Vumani Ngulube is granted authority, it will greatly improve the mobility of the department. Recommendation that Alan Keimulea be granted authority to drive council vehicles after the necessary tests have been done.
Reactions? Yeah, we're typing error. The typing error. A corner. They notice that? Right. See, our doctor with corrections, huh? Right. Proposal? Thank you.
7.13. Recruitment and selection for the position of Assistant Executive Officer Administration. The interviews for the position of Assistant Executive Officer Administration were held on the 10th of September 2025. 6 candidates were invited for the interviews, but only 4 attended. The interview results are as follows. Ankana Lewabona Lapana. A recommendation that Brenda Tanaka Nyoni be recommended for the position of Assistant Executive Officer Administration. If Brenda Tanakanyoni declines the offer, Consilia Nyube should be recommended. If Brenda Tanakanyoni and Consilia Nyube both decline the offer, the post should be re-advertised.
Proposal? Adoption? Thank you.
Social service.
Okay. Presentation of the Social Services Committee recommendations. Madam Treasurer sizagcina ngayo. Andibasayi ngizama gate la bezes.